Hey everyone, this is Justin from Honey of the Heart and Soul Graffiti Entertainment. And just wanted to talk to you about frequency spectrum and sound, what sound engineers need to do before a show. It is so important. 50% of a band is sound is essentially how the sound engineer represents them, how the sound system sounds to amplify that band. Most importantly, what I like to do is come into a room and ring out the room. What I have up here is a graph. The RTA graph is above, showing the frequency spectrums from 0 to 20K, which is what a human can hear. I like to use my voice in a room and sing different melodies and sounds on RTA frequency, kind of upside down, coming up like this. I'm going back and forth with about a 4 to 5 cue point. And any frequency that starts standing out with ringing out or doesn't sound very good in the room, I'm going to stop on that point and then turn that upside down and find out what negative dB in that frequency is necessary. I like to tighten up the cue point to possibly 6 or 7 if it's possible. I do this with roughly 4 to 6 EQ bands, but you can also put a larger EQ band of 32 or more, and this can help you ring out a room, and then you can use your gain staging and increase the volume of any channel without having feedback or harsh sounds. This is probably the most important part of mixing in a room, even outside as well, but especially a room, because every room has frequencies that can stand out in a harsh way. They can start off with the low tones around 120 hertz, and the overtones can pop in. Maybe 500 to 600 hertz can start feeding back. Maybe there's something around 1,000, 4,000. Each overtone is going to be a different frequency sweep that you can slowly roll off. You don't want to have your cue points being too wide. And what I mean by cue points is when you're looking at your spectrum and a 1 to 2 cue point is going to actually bring down this bigger U shape like this. So you're going to be bringing down -3 to 5 dB, a huge area, maybe like 500 to 1,000, when you actually just want 600 or 700. That way you tighten your cue point and it comes into a tight V shape. So I hope this helps you do really good sound wherever you're at in your career with sound, or if you're just starting off with some venue work. If you want more information, you can contact booking@soulgraffiti.info. We've been sponsored by QSC for many years now. We love their sound, and we would like to do events 2025 with more partners. And we also host workshops in sound. Please contact us. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Soul Graffiti Productions. Take care.